tried to run me over, and he went like this. He was ready, and I'm like, that's the day. He tried to open the doors, both doors. He couldn't open the doors. That's why the alarms went off. And then after that, backwards.
Listen to these deputies' instructions, okay? It's not time for you to start being ridiculous.
At a major South Florida airport in Broward County, a passenger boards a flight, walks down the jet bridge, then turns around and exits without explanation. Minutes later, he returns and attempts to force open the aircraft doors. Gate agents described the sequence to the responding deputy. The subject came back, tried to re-enter the aircraft, threw himself onto the floor, removed his jacket, then returned a third time and triggered the door alarms.
What
was he doing?
He tried to breach the jetway like twice.
What's one? He has the
tall guy.
I don't know. What's going on? What happened?
I'm trying to catch my flight.
So you were supposed to fly out. What time is your flight? What time is your flight?
What were you drinking or are you taking something? Well, you was acting everybody said you were jumping and sleep deprivation. You said sleeping?
What happened to this guy? What's going on?
So he boarded the flight. So he's scanning, you walk down the jet bridge. After the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get his attention to like what's going on. He doesn't answer nothing. I'm down the jet bridge because I'm tagging back to the flight. She's up here. You walk straight past her. So she's trying to get his attention, like, sir, like, what's going on? He doesn't answer. So she'll be able to tell you more about what happened at the front. So I don't know.
So the flight left already?
Yeah, the flight already gone. So he said, he didn't say anything. Halfway through in the jet bridge, he just turned around and walked off. So I'm trying to get attention, like, yo, what's going on? He doesn't answer anybody and just walks off. So she was up front, so she'll be able to tell you exactly.
Who is it? What's going on?
First he walked off the jet bridge, they were trying to get his name, he wasn't replying.
31F.
He wasn't replying, and then when he got to the top, I kind of had to like go in front of him like, sir, what's your name, what's your name? And he's like, I don't know if that, like, he said it in Spanish? Yeah. And then I got his seat number, he said 13, and I'm like, okay. I looked him up, I saw it was 31F. He was gone already, and then he comes back when he was back on the desk, and then he was trying to get on the aircraft. He tried to run me over, and he went like this. He was ready, and I'm like, that's the day. He goes and he backs down, and he left again. He threw himself on the ground, threw his jacket off, and then he came back again. He tried to open the doors, both doors. He couldn't open the doors. That's why the alarms went off. And then after that,
Lower level terminal 1, William
and he's like sweating a lot too.
Yeah, maybe he's 5 minutes. Hi, let me ask you a question. Are you okay? Have you been drinking?
No.
Are you on any medication or anything?
No, sir.
Is there a reason why you were acting like that at the gate?
No, sir.
Alright, so just so you know, the flight's already left.
Okay.
So what do you need to do right now? We're going to walk you outside.
Another flight, yeah.
Find
Another flight. Yeah. I'll figure it out. Alright, then we're going to walk you outside of that.
Come on, let's go.
The flight's coming.
That's not. What?
I appreciate it.
Let's go.
Appreciate it.
It's alright, man. Let's go. If you're not okay to fly, it's better you go find somewhere and whatever you want. I'm not saying because. Huh? Yeah. So book another flight for another day. Yeah, because it don't work out for you today. So, because if you do come back again and you start acting up like that, you're gonna end up in jail. I'm telling you that right now. Alright, let's go over there. Just go.
Bravo 3.
Listen, alright, as if for right now, today Jeddah is not gonna let you fly. And listen to me. They're not gonna let you fly. What you need to do is go home. I don't know what you on, whatever you take, because your behavior was not normal. So they said that you started working, and next time you started walking out, and they're trying to talk to you, wouldn't respond and stuff like that. If you come back to this airport today and you act like this again, I will take you to jail. You understand? So go home, call the airline, figure it out, and get yourself rebooked. And get yourself situated and come back and fly whenever you want. But do you have an actual ID on you?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Let me just see your ID. Whoever's coming to pick us. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you. I just need your ID so I can take it. Your passport, whatever.
He just got to take a picture of it. He's not taking it.
Yeah, let me take a picture of it.
Let me take a picture of it.
I need your picture ID real quick. Let me see your driver's license.
How would you want to take a picture?
Because I just need a picture. I need to get your date of birth.
I shot the drone.
I needed to take a picture. Just let go of it. And then I'll give it back.
Why are you taking a picture of us? We gotta know who you are.
I'm gonna give me a second. Let me debrief with my surgeon. Wait a second.
Sir,
relax.
Hey, wait. I'm not taking the passport.
Give it back to you, but not right this moment.
Wait.
You understand? You will give it back, not right now.
Alright. Go ahead.
Put this down the truck.
Take the bag off.
We're gonna take the bag off.
Hold this.
Put your hands behind your back for right now.
Place your hand behind your back.
Right now, put your hands behind your back. You're being detained while we investigate something. We got additional information. Do you understand? You understand? We have additional information about what occurred.
I'm going to explain to you. The way you was acting at the gate over there, you started walking halfway through, and next thing you know, you pull yourself out. This is not a normal behavior. Right now, what we're going to do is you're not being arrested. Let me listen to me. Let me explain to you. You're not being arrested. You're going to be very active. You're going to be transported to the hospital where you can see the psychiatrist.
Because I need to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's what
we're doing. We need to get some help.
We're going to the hospital. Relax.
Because you're going to the hospital to get some help.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. We're going to the hospital. It's all.
Y'all over here trying to help you.
He's going to the hospital.
Open light.
Forcing entry into a sealed aircraft can fall under Title 49, United States Code Section 46504, interference with flight crew, with up to 20 years, and the FAA's parallel rule under 14, Code of Federal Regulations, Section 91.11. The deputy's first contact is restrained. He asks about alcohol and medications. The subject answers no, but loops the same 5 words on repeat. Crisis intervention team training treats this perseveration as a behavioral red flag. The flight has left and no complaint is signed, so the deputy moves to walk the subject out under Florida Statute Section 810.08, Trespass after warning, telling him that returning and acting the same way will result in arrest. The encounter shifts when the deputy asks for ID. The subject produces a passport but resists letting it go. Heibel v. 6th Judicial District of Nevada, 2004, allows identification requests during a lawful Terry stop. By this point, the gate agent's account, striking a person, throwing himself down, attempting to open aircraft doors, supplies the reasonable suspicion the Fourth Amendment requires. The investigative detention is now legally supported. The deputy then invokes Florida's Baker Act, Florida Statute Section 394.463, telling the subject he is going to a hospital, not jail. This is a civil involuntary psychiatric examination, not a criminal arrest and not a booking. Section 394.463 requires 3 findings on the record: reason to believe mental illness, refusal or inability to consent to voluntary examination, and likely serious bodily harm to self or others, or self-neglect without care. The subject pulls away during cuffing. Deputies use a controlled body-down takedown. Graham versus Connor, 1989, judges force on 3 factors: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. All 3 apply here. Officers place him in a recovery position on his side, not prone. Prone restraint of an agitated subject carries documented risk of positional asphyxia. This single tactical choice tracks current national best practice. Shackles and a search follow. A protective inventory search incident to a Baker Act seizure is allowed under Florida case law, including Reynolds versus State, but it is narrower than a full criminal search incident to arrest. The subject repeatedly asks to be recorded. That request is protected First Amendment activity and already moot. Body-worn cameras and fixed station cameras have captured the entire encounter from the first contact onward.
That's fine. We're going to take you to the hospital. That's where you're going. All right? That's fine. It's fine. That's where you're going. You're not being arrested. Just relax.
Hey, stop that, buddy.
Relax. Hey.
What are you doing?
All right, take him down.
Get on the ground.
Por favor.
Stop, buddy. Stop. Buddy. Stop.
Yo.
Get it down here. Get it marked down here.
Mira. Que no pueden hacer esto. No pueden hacer esto. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Let's sit him down.
What are you doing?
Fist off is fine.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Can you confirm the door number?
Put him in recovery position, guys. Put him in
313.
Don't try to get up.
Don't leave him like that.
Don't try to get up, okay? Stay down.
Just relax, dude. Relax. All right, sit up. Sit up. All right. If you're gonna sit up, sit like that. Relax.
Lean him right here.
Just sit down like that. Relax.
Oh, my phone! It's a phone! It's a phone!
Let's go there.
Please, let me have my phone.
No.
Let me have my phone.
Buddy.
Let me have my phone. Get him in his unit. Oh my God, no, Dave, stop. Stop, why are you doing this to me?
Relax.
Listen
Why
to
are you
me.
doing this to me?
Listen to me. Stop talking
Why are
for
you
a second.
doing this to me?
Shut up. Stop being difficult. It's gonna be worse for you. Stop being difficult. Stop moving. Stop moving. I don't need to hear you right now. Just shut up for 2 seconds.
Yes.
Stop moving. Okay? I don't need you to reach in your freaking pockets to get a phone. You'll have enough time to do that. Do you understand me? Look at me. Stop acting like a knucklehead.
Understood.
Listen to these deputies' instructions. Okay?
I'm listening,
It's
sir.
not time for you to start being ridiculous.
Sir, I'm listening.
Okay. Don't move.
I'm listening.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Okay, then stay right there. We're gonna put you in shackles now.
Bravo 5 and 2 Bravo 7. Can you copy the 49 order? 2 Bravo 1241 Sterling Road, DSTB Enterprise.
Shows up.
Mine is upstairs. Relax.
Stop, buddy.
What are you doing?
You're gonna get yourself.
We're searching you. We need to make sure do you think we're gonna believe you? We need to make sure. Oh, thank you so much for letting us know. You still have to check. It's your job.
I don't have any weapons.
Okay, great. Thank you for letting us know.
Door 313.
Stop flexing. Stop flexing. It's only gonna get worse.
Don't
Pull away again. It's gonna get worse.
Whenever
I'm not trying to pull away. I'm not pulling away.
Stop flexing. You're good.
I'm
Relax.
not pulling away. Can somebody please help? Call help. Somebody record this. Can somebody please record this?
30 times.
Can somebody please record this? Record this, please. Record this, please.
Each car from any
Don't
Hello.
worry. We're recording. You're on camera right now. Everybody here is recording. Don't worry about it. We have plenty of video footage of it.
My car's up on level, but I'm
Wait,
covering.
my camera is recording.
There ain't a unit at lower level that can respond. Say Bravo 4-2, can you copy? More details coming from upper level, but I'll come around. I'll be there.
Ain't nobody trying to hurt you.
We actually trying to help you. Because you're acting like that. If you never act out, we would never help you.
Rotate them so you can search the other side. Do you understand?
I'm fine.
Rotate the other side.
I'm fine.
Lay down. Lay down.
See? Yes. Want to help them out? Sure.
They're doing, they got it, it's fine. They got it, we got enough hands. We got enough hands.
I'm not flexing.
Alright, are we done searching or not yet?
Can somebody please record this? Can somebody please record this? Please record this. Please record this.
Get in, you're gonna
Somebody please record this.
Alright,
I
yeah? Alright.
respect you guys.
Come on.
Guys.
Let's get them up.
I respect you guys, but I need you guys to please, like, treat me like a human being.
Go in the car.
Go in the car. Get in there.
Go in the car.
You'll get it. Get in there.
Please, my ID, my
Get in there.
passport and my ID.
We'll give them to you later. Come on, get in
Right
there.
there. They're right there.
Get in there, man.
They're right there. They're right there. You're gonna get on your property.
Search them one more time.
You're gonna get everything. Can I please have my passport? Can I please have my passport? Stop.
Stop. I already told you you're gonna have.
Can I please have my passport? Can I please have my passport?
There's nothing in this pocket.
I don't have anything, guys. I don't
Get
have
in there.
anything.
Put your foot in
I
there.
don't have anything.
Close the door. Oh my God.
You're gonna have to go in the car. Now you wanna push it.
Grab his legs. Hold his upper body. Hold his upper body.
I got it. I got it.
732 control drive to be able to device.
Get in there.
You got the upper body.
He is transported to a medical facility, not booked into jail. One small failure. Deputies never confirm on camera that his passport will travel with him as personal property. Exactly the small detail that drives later complaints. Final charges are misdemeanors only. Disorderly conduct under Florida Statute Section 877.03 and resisting an officer without violence under Section 843.02. Final disposition, a $100 fine. No federal charges were filed. Deputies earn a B. Lawful, tactically sound, recovery position used, Baker Act invoked instead of jail. Lost points for inconsistent verbal de-escalation, including a shut-up command that contradicts crisis intervention training. The subject earns a C, with a caveat, behavior consistent with crisis rather than strategy. He produced no weapon and launched no attack, but interfered with an aircraft, refused ID during a lawful detention, and pulled away on cuffing. Lesson 1. For officers. When behavior is repetitive, unresponsive, and inconsistent with intoxication, the Baker Act pathway protects everyone, the subject from a record, the agency from civil exposure, and the public from escalation. Lesson 2. For citizens. Even in distress, refusing identification during a lawful detention only escalates the situation. Calm verbal assertion of rights and compliance with lawful commands preserve every legal option afterward. Lesson 3. For the system. Explicit on-camera articulation of the 3 Baker Act findings and a brief verbal warning before any takedown are small habits that protect the agency, the subject, and the case in later review.